Fetch AI at the time of this recording continues to hold above significant key areas of support, and at the time of this recording we are now holding above the 1.162, which is a significant key area of support. We have also continued to obey the Deriv structures, and on today's update video I will be discussing the most significant key areas of supports that we need to continue holding above, and above all discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video on the daily chart by first giving you my long-term perspective of the chart, where I still maintain that we got our bear market lows back in 2023 and started an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the 3.479, giving us the high in the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. And after we picked in the formation of that first wave, I was expecting a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, whose minimum target areas I came up with by connecting the fibs from the lows we made in the formation of this wave 1 to the high of this wave 1, and you can see that the minimum pullback target area for this second wave lies between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.88 as a maximum, and that is between the 1.853 and the $0.6, which is the area that I have marked here on the charts using this blue target area, and that is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2, and in the next coming days we are going to start an impulsive bounce to the upside in the formation of this Elliot wave count 3, which should take us to new all-time highs, and the minimum target areas for that wave 3 can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and you can see that on so doing I get a minimum target area for that wave 3 at the $6 mark. Then I will expect a pullback in this Elliot wave count 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of this wave 5, which should take us to new all-time highs, possibly above the $10 mark. And in the formation of this wave 3, we also need to see a 5-wave structure also playing out within the formation of that wave 3, and that should be identified on the lower time frames. And if I jump to the 4-hour time frame, that is the 1-hour time frame, for a better view of the micro Elliot wave structures, on the 1-hour chart we have been seeing a massive breakdown move which has been obeying the Elliot wave structures, and that breakdown move has been impulsive, where I believe that we have seen an impulsive movement to the lower side in the formation of this wave 1, seen a bounce in the formation of this wave 2, another pullback in the formation of this wave 3, a short-term bounce over here in the formation of this Elliot wave count 4, and I believe that whatever is playing out at the moment is another pullback to the lower side in the formation of these Elliot wave count 5, and the minimum target areas for these Elliot wave count 5 can be given by connecting the fib extension from the high of that wave 1 to the low of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of this wave 3, and on so doing I get a minimum target area for these Elliot wave count 5 at the fib level 0.618, and that is above the 0.705, a target area that we can easily maximize in the next coming days. We also need to have in mind that since we are holding above key areas of support, there are high chances that we can get another bounce to the upside, and if by any chance we get a strong bounce and we manage to break above resistance above the 1.48, flipping it back into support, and also manage to break above the swing high we made above the 1.65, then I will consider Fetch AI to have hit invalidation points for this impulsive movement to the lower side, and from that point I will start to look out for higher prices and also maybe come up with a negative structure to the upper side. But as long as that doesn't happen, I'm still expecting one more new low in the formation of this wave 5, and the moment that plays out, that will also give us one more new low in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2 that I have shown you on the daily chart. And the moment that plays out, As long as we continue holding above key areas of support identified on the daily chart, there are chances that we can easily bounce to the upside in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3, taking us back to new all-time highs. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting Fetch AI to follow for the next coming days, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.